Hello everybody, so I'm going live, and as you can see I'm sat in the airport right now, and for me this will be my final flight back to London. So wow, after 7 magnificent months of travelling, it's time for me to go back to London now. So tonight, in a couple of hours, I'll be flying back to London. So as I'm sat here now, I can honestly say that there's a mixture of emotions running around my body. I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm scared, and I'm excited. But above all else, I can honestly say that I'm so grateful for this incredible experience, and I've enjoyed every single moment of it, the ups, the downs, and everything in between. I've made fantastic friends for life and memories never to be forgotten. And in doing so, I've learned so much about myself and so much about this wonderful world that we live in. And I am so grateful for this opportunity, because honestly, it's been the best time of my life up until now, and I know that there's so much more to come. So for now, it's back to London to begin my new chapter, and where that takes me, I don't know, but I trust the path will be presented as long as I keep taking action steps forwards towards my desired destination. So anyone that's on this live now, or who will listen back to this, that's had an impact on my travel or my journey over the last 7 months, I just want to say thank you so much, and I'll never forget it, you know. I really had an incredible time, and wow, it's crazy to say that it's coming to an end now, but I know like there's so much more to come. So this is just the beginning, it's not the ending. So every single person, I can't name them all, but I've connected with hundreds of people over the last 7 months, and every single person that I've connected with has had a positive impact on me in their own unique way. So I really do just want to say thank you. I appreciate you, and I'll never forget those moments that we shared together. So thank you so much, every single person that I connected with. And I look forward to seeing some of you as well in the future, because I know that some of the people that I met, it wasn't meant to be just a one-time only thing. I met some people, and wow, we had conversations, we had experiences, and wow, I can honestly say, like, I can't wait to meet these people again, because I've met so many amazing people. So I look forward to seeing you all in the future. So thank you so much for everybody that's going to listen to this, everybody that's connected with me or had a positive impact on my journey. So I look forward to seeing my other friends that are back in the UK as well. And yeah, let's see where life goes in 2023 for all of us. So I hope you've all managed to take something away from the content that I've been putting on over the last 7 months on all social media platforms, and there's still more to come as well. So like I say, I'm just getting started, so I look forward to what the future brings. So thank you so much, and I'll see you on the other side.